Sat Shri Akal. My name is Dr. Deepinder Kaur, Medical Officer, Department of Health and Family Welfare, Punjab. I am the member of State COVID Control Room. I am here for daily media briefing brought to you by the Control Room. Today it is 96th day of sharing information about Punjab State's efforts for controlling the coronavirus situation in the state. To contain the spread of the virus, the Punjab government is testing maximum number of samples, especially the samples of suspected cases. And in this regard, the state has sent 276,919 samples for testing, out of which 4,957 samples have been found positive till date, which is an increase of 188 cases since yesterday. Unfortunately, 122 people have died till date and 3,201 number of people have totally recovered and discharged. Now the total number of cases in institutional isolation in Punjab are 1,634. Today, June 26th, is observed as the International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking by the United Nations General Assembly to strengthen the global action and cooperation towards creating a society that is free from drug abuse and unlawful drug trade. The theme of the day this year is Better Knowledge for Better Care. The main idea behind this theme is to stress upon the need of improving the understanding of the world drug problem. The theme also deals with how better knowledge about this issue can lead to greater international cooperation for countering its impact on health, governance and security. Drug abuse is now a global problem. Almost 35.6 million people suffer from drug abuse disorders globally, according to the World Drug Report 2020. We must try to get rid of this social cancer. Addiction to drug can be checked by creating social awareness like seminars, discussion and debate should be held to aware the people about the ill effects of the drug abuse. Government cannot solve this problem alone. People must cooperate with the government efforts. Punjab government is providing lots of facilities in this regard, like government drug de-addiction centers are established in each district where the treatment is done by a qualified psychiatrist with facilities of free counseling, free x-ray and blood test. Government rehabilitation centers are also established where medicine, food and accommodation are available for inpatients with multi-occupational training facilities, TV and indoor games. 35 government de-addiction centers, 19 government rehabilitation centers are functional in Punjab. There are 199 OAT clinics in Punjab where drug abuse victims are treated free of cost. There are 32 opioid substitution therapy centers in Punjab where intravenous drug users are treated through oral medication. Let us all take a pledge on this day to make our society drug-free and to live a drug-free life. At the end, we request you all to practice these 20 measures to win the fight against this deadly virus, like greet without physical contact, maintain 6 feet physical distance, wear face cover or mask, maintain respiratory hygiene, wash hands frequently and thoroughly, don't spit in public places, regularly clean and disinfect frequently touched surfaces, avoid unnecessary travel, avoid crowded places. In case of fever, cough, sore throat, difficulty in breathing and body aches, you can dial 104 to seek medical advice. For any stress-related issues, you can dial 1800-180-4104 to speak with Punjab Government Certified Medical Counsellor. Stay safe, stay healthy and support Mission Fateh to mark your contribution in making Punjab COVID-free. Thank you.